friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a bird feeder. Materials required for the bird feeder are a gum bottle or a glue gun, an unused coconut shell, a scissors, coir, a bangle. I decorated this bangle with the coir. Take this much of the coir. Stick the coconut shell with the coir using Fevicol. Now I have decorated the coconut shell with the coir. Now I have decorated the bangle. Take this much of coir in 3 lines. Now cut with the scissors at the down part. Now make a knot here. Make 3 braids like this. Tie the 3 threads to the decorated coir bangle and cut the downer part of it. Now you must ensure that the 3 braids are at equal height. Now take the decorated coconut shell and keep it here. You can also apply here glue gun or Fevicol for being tight or not coming out. Now your bird feeder is ready. And you can make a knot here, and you can make a knot here and tie at your balcony or in the bird cage. Now your bird feeder is ready.